Here's the fastest way. I learned physics without burning out. Step 1. Pick a goal that actually excites you, not learn everything. More like, understand why the sky is blue. Build a tiny solar car. Goals create gravity, they pull you through the boring parts. Step 2. Learn in loops, not lines. I do a tight cycle. Preview, play, practice, prove. Preview. Watch a short explainer or skim a chapter for the big ideas. Play, mess with a simulation or a simple demo to see it in action. Practice. Do 5 problems that hit the core concept, not 50 random ones. Prove. Explain it out loud like you're teaching a friend. Step 3. Build a physics toolbox. You only need 5 tools at first. Units vectors, free body diagrams, proportional reasoning energy. Units keep you honest. Vectors point you right. Free body diagrams make forces visible. Proportional reasoning tells you what happens if you double something. Energy is the ultimate accountant. Nothing gets lost. It just changes forms. Step 4. Time box like an engineer. I study in 25-minute sprints with a single objective. Draw 3 free body diagrams. Solve 2 conservation problems. Then a 5-minute break to reset. Step 5. Fight confusion the right way. When I'm stuck, I do 3 moves. Shrink the problem.